Hey, gonna give you a quick update on the house. The countertops are in. The house is looking good. They're gonna start, and the stained concrete floors here very soon. Give you a quick look. So here are the countertops. They're quartz in here with the waterfall edge, a 12-inch overhang on both sides. And then this island has the sink and the dishwasher. And of course, that's just plastic on there to keep it protected. Quartz over here, and there'll be a tile backsplash going there, going all the way up. And then we did the same quartz for the bookshelves over here, or for the cabinets over here. Same quartz. And the master shower is complete. The seat. And we have zero curb there. And then the same quartz is in here with the vessel bowl sinks. Of course, the mirror will go up there. And all the boxes sitting out are all the lights and fans that are going to go in the house. In the bar area, we just did a black granite in the bar area to kind of match the gray cabinets. Laundry room, same thing, just a black granite to match the cabinets. And then the morning kitchen, we did the same white quartz in here. Let's see, there we go. White quartz with the farmhouse sink. And here we'll have a backsplash all the way around as well. The kids' bathrooms already come with countertops on them. The guest bathroom has a floating sink, and then we're going to change out the PVC for the metal finish to match. But every bathroom has the same shower piece on there. So it's coming along. Stained concrete floors are coming up next, and all the light fixtures coming in. Stay tuned. Big goals, big dreams. Work hard. Hey!